Hello there, my name's Mike Dixon. This is Simply Your Device, and in today's video, today's video is not a review, it's more like a story time. My experience with these two devices. Mind you, I am here in the United States, so the hardware and software I'm using is North American devices. Over the Black Friday holidays of 2025, I picked up the Moto Razr Plus 2024 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, both at $599 with the storage of 256 gigs. After 60 days of living with the Moto Razr Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, which, by the way, to make things easy, it's a 2024 model. I'm just going to call it the Moto Razr Plus for the video. I've realized that choosing a foldable isn't about the specs. It's about which frustrations you're willing to live with. One of these devices have the best UI, or the soul of the devices, I call it, I've ever used for me. But the other has solid hardware and good software. Here's my 2-month truth. Let's start with a win for Motorola. The Razr Plus cover screen is still the gold standard. It feels like a tiny phone on the outside. I can run any app natively, and it feels intentional. The Z Flip 7 has improved, and the AI features are flashy. But Samsung still feels like it's filtering my apps through a window. If you want to stay off your main screen, Motorola has the win in this round easily. The real reason I love the Razr Plus is the UI. If you're a fan of the Pixel experience, you will adore this phone. It's clean, it's fast, and it doesn't get in your way. There's no bloat, just useful gestures. Comparing it to Samsung's One UI, well, Samsung feels heavy. It's powerful, sure, but it requires a lot of personal adjustments to make it feel lean. Motorola just gets it right out of the box. But here is where the honeymoon ends. 2 months in, the small things are becoming big problems. First, accessories. Finding high-quality premium cases for the Razr Plus is a nightmare. You're stuck with cheap options from Amazon. The Z Flip 7, every major brand, makes a great case and or accessory for it. Then there's the software support. I've been waiting for a basic security patch from Motorola from December, and it's on November's patch right now. Samsung is already pushing updates. Knowing that the Z Flip 7 has 7 years of guaranteed support makes the Razr feel like a short-term relationship. In daily use, the Z Flip 7 feels more mature piece of hardware. The hinge is stiffer. It feels like it can handle abuse of a busy life. The Razr Plus is beautiful, but feels a bit more delicate. And it's concerning when you're spending this much money. As for the cameras, both take good, usable photos. So where am I at? My heart is 100% with the Moto Razr Plus. I prefer the UI. I love the gestures, and the cover screen is a joy. But my head leaning towards the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Between the accessory ecosystem, the constant and consistent security updates, and long-term OS support, Samsung offers a peace of mind that Motorola just hasn't earned yet. Am I trading for the fun of the UI for a phone that I know will be supported and protected 3 years from now? Just an updated note. Recently, I just read that Android 16 is finally rolling out to Moto Razrs. But the weird part is the first ones who are going to get it are the carrier variants here in the States. So the question still lies, when am I going to get an update? But what about you? Do you value a clean UI over long-term updates? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.